Hi. So this is an intro to the mobile interface for the Solvent platform. This is the portal that you're looking at. We'll open up an instance here to show the mobile interface. So the mobile is really just an overlay over the default interface. As you can see there, there's the actual full-blown solvent underneath it, and you'll see shortly the mobile UI would pop up. You get a lot of the features of a desktop environment in mobile. This is a mobile interface. I have my personal assistant here. You have access to other automations. You can navigate the different categories of automations, which you have access to in the main portal. You have access to the file system here to a certain extent. Not everything is editable in here, but some things are like text files, markup files. So if we open this up, you get access to that. You have access to human tools, which is nice. You'll be able to use certain human tools if they're designed to be used without AI or with AI. It depends. So here's a checkers game that I've demoed and some other stuff. So this is available here. Of course, useful human tools will be productivity tools. So you could imagine things having to do with whether it's Excel or some other productivity app. You can switch to the desktop app from here. If we click on that, it will switch. Let me open up the automation just to show. So this is your automation. Just as in the desktop environment, you have access to settings and all kinds of things, including the file system. So here, if you wanted to integrate file system context into an automation interaction, you have access to that. So this is, AI on the go. Let's see. I'll can actually just leave that on. And I'm going to talk to it and just say hi so you can see it in action. Here, we're going to use audio. Hi. Hi. Let's save that. All right. I'm going to send that. I think I may have actually turned off the audio on the phone, so you may not hear it, the speech, but you'll see the output. As you can see there's the output there. So again, all the automation functionality that we have in a desktop environment is available here.
It seems like there was an error converting a media message to text earlier. If you have specific instructions or tasks for me, please provide them, and I'll do my best to assist you.
All right, so it looks like there was something about that. I'll open up a human tool here, just to, not that one, but yeah, so open up a checkers game human tool, so you'll see that open up on the tabs. Okay, so let's play checkers. Hopefully it plays nice. Alright, so that highlight on the tab, it may be just staging it, which means I have to tap on it because it's not in auto commit mode. So I'll send it out, keep an eye on the black buttons. Notice it moved. I'll make another move. Let's see. Then I'll send it. Keep an eye out on the black buttons. Okay, so that demos human tools in action in mobile mode. So this could be all kinds of productivity apps that are infused with AI in the workspace environment. I'm gonna close this out, and yeah, I think this shows enough of what's available in here. And then you could, if we close this out, like I said, you can switch if you had some important reason to want to switch to the desktop UI. You can do that. If you tap on that desktop UI, it will open up the desktop UI, and in here, of course, you have access to the full platform. From the desktop UI, you can also switch back to mobile. Do this, and it will switch you back to the mobile interface. So this is Solvent Intelligent Workspace Mobile, AI on the go, with all the powerful features that you've seen demoed in other places. There are a ton of other things that you could do here for like the observation use cases, which I'm not going to get into. Maybe in some future demonstrations we'll show that. Thank you very much.